if I decide to go with $100 and trade for 21 times per week, that means I'm going to earn $157 per 50 cents as my profit. So guys, this method really works, and I can calculate again to know my profit before I'll go into a trade. So with this, so you can calculate your profit before you go into your trade with your capital. So guys, if I show you the platform, do not click off the video, because I have a secret tool that I will show you, and if you click off the video, that means you're going to end up losing your money. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business and let me show you the name of the platform and how it works. So do not click off, as I said earlier on. And if you are somebody who wants to make money online, subscribe to this channel, like the video, and then comment down below if you have any question concerning what you're learning. Welcome back guys, welcome back to Profitable Side Hustles. And with this platform, we teach people how to make money online. And the name of the platform that we're going to talk about today is Tilu, Tilu. And with this, you can earn up to 17% of your money invested into the platform, and you can trade as much as you can. So the registration process is very simple. You just input your email, your password, and then repeat your password and click on registration, and as simple as that, your account is going to be ready for you to trade on this platform. So I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login and then log into my account and show you people how this platform works. So with this platform, you can earn up to 17% of your invested capital. Yes, 17%, and you can trade as much as you can per week. So all you need to make a successful trade on this platform is a valid Bitcoin wallet address. So if you don't have a Bitcoin address, I will leave a link to Binance in my description below, so that you can click on it and then create one for yourself. And this platform accepts only two cryptocurrencies, which is Litecoin and then Bitcoin. So if you have USDT, you can convert it to Litecoin, which will be much easier when you use Binance. Yes, as for Trust Wallet, is very complicated. You must go to some swap, and then before you can get that. But if you are using Binance, it's very easy for you to convert. So you need this, and you can calculate the profit that you will get per trade. So if I try to deposit $10 or $100, that means $100 I'm going to earn 14.53 cents. And then if I try to go in with $50, that means I'm going to earn $7 per trade. So if I try my possible best to go with $1,000, that means I'm going to earn 145.3 cents per trade. Guys, it's subscription time, so use these 10 seconds to subscribe to my channel if you find this video very helpful. So if I try to trade for 10 times per week, that means I'm going to earn 100% of my invested amounts. And what you need next is a valid PayPal account. So I have a video that talks about how to create PayPal account. You can go and watch it and create PayPal account for yourself. Yes, and after that you click on sell BTC. Yes, and you're good to go. So your money is going to be on autopilot, which you're going to earn money into your PayPal account as the recipient account that you use to receive the money from your the platform. Yes, so PayPal is going to be served as the recipient account. Yes, and you can copy the money that you need to pay and then go to Google and then search for the amount that you need to pay to the account before you can make a successful purchase, and then you can trade on this platform. So this platform very works. It works very well, and people are making money, and now but nobody is talking about that. Yes, so this method actually works. I've been using it for a while now, and I've been making some cool profit on my money. So you can trade as much as possible that you can, because you can trade. There is no limitation with the trade. Just that if you are having a new PayPal account, that's where they are going to lock your money for some time and open it for you. That's the obstacle that is being involved in this trade if you're using a new PayPal account. But if you have a PayPal account, that is, you have received a lot of money through that, that means this trade is going to be very simple as ABC for you. So you can go into a trade with this platform, and where you see this address, you copy this address and then you make the payment through this address, and right after that the money will reflect into your account. As simple as that. Or you can scan the QR code over there and then pay through that, and you can copy the ID that you see over there and then go to where you see your ID. Yes, your payment ID, you paste it there to check whether your money has been received or your payment is coming into your PayPal account. Without going to your PayPal account, you can check it from this platform. So this platform is very, very legitimate, where people are making money and nobody is talking about. So it has been there for more than 5 to 6 years, for a longer time now. So you can go into a trade with $10 and trade for about 21 times a week, and then you hit on calculate. That means I'm going to earn $15. That means I've earned 100% of my profit, and more than even 100% of my profit, or invested capital. And then you can move the slider to your preferred amount of money that you want to invest. Yes, if you want to calculate, you can move the slider over there and then calculate the amount of money that you want to invest into the platform. So if you decide to go into a trade with $100 for 21 days, that means you're going to earn 157.50 cents from the trade, and you can calculate again. And if you decide to go with that same $100 and trade for 60 days, you're going to know your profit. So you can calculate your profit before you go into a trade, and that will enable you to know whether your trade is going on successfully or there is something wrong somewhere. So do not click off the video, because there are certain things that I need to tell you before you go into a trade with this. So if I decide to go with $100, that means I'm going to earn, which is getting to 3 times or 4 times of my profit. Yes, of my invested capital, sorry. So I'll earn 450, and then I said earlier on, all you need is a valid PayPal account and BTC wallet address. So you can earn up to 17% of the profit from this invested capital. And these are the terms of condition. If you decide to trade, you can join their VIP section, and the VIP club, and you can join them and you can earn cool money from that. So they have referral program that you can join to earn money, and if your money exceeds $20, you can withdraw. So you can read through that, the terms of condition of the services. Yes, what you need to do as a somebody who wants to refer somebody to the platform. Yes, so you must read them carefully to know their terms and conditions before you go into that referral program. So yes, and if you are able to invite 30 people, you can contact them and they will provide you with exclusive condition of referral earnings. Yes, so if you invite 30 people to this website, that means you're going to earn cool money, or they are going to give you a different terms of services that will earn you a lot of money to this platform. Yes, so the name of the platform is Tyloo Services, and it's very simple as ABC. All you need is a valid PayPal account and then BTC wallet address. So I will leave the link to Binance in the description, and if you don't have PayPal account, I have a video that talks about how to create PayPal account. You can go and then watch it and create a PayPal account by yourself, and with that you can earn a lot of money with this platform. So guys, this is the arbitrage platform that I was talking about. So if you want content like this, or if you're somebody who wants to learn how to make money online, you can subscribe to this channel if you found value in this video, and like this video as well. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube is going to notify you. Until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now.